Okay, just a quick one, guys. Now, if you've been watching my videos, I had to buy 2 extra batteries for my Mini 4 Pro. And what you've got to remember, guys, is if you've got extra batteries, they need updating. Doesn't matter if you've updated the drone with the first battery, you've got to update all your batteries. It's simple. All you have to do is the new battery, place it in the drone, clip it on. Now I've got already my controller on already. I'll just turn on the drone, and what we do, we go into the settings at the top there, the 3 dots. We go into check updates, and this is what you'll get: new firmware available. And what it is, it's for the battery, nothing to do with the controller or the drone. It's all to do with the battery. So it doesn't take long. You can see most of it's already been installed anyway. It's just that's the last part, which is obviously to do with the battery itself. Because if you don't do it, guys, this is where you get problems with your drone. And not usually, you won't get no warning come up on your controller to let you know that your battery needs updating. So it doesn't take long, just a quick check. I'm always checking every other day at the moment. I'm always checking to see if there's new updates. I'm expecting there to be an update very soon from DJI, because this controller's got a few bugs on it. And I do believe even the drone, but hey ho. So your battery's done. You just tick the box. No, you tick the cross. And it will say up in the top left hand corner, aircraft firmware update successful. We turn on the aircraft, because obviously what's happened, the aircraft's gone off. So we just turn the aircraft back on, just to recheck. It's telling you there, the aircraft firmware is, okay, go fly. Okay, so that's come out now. And enjoy your flight.